Hi, so I've recently been to the eye doctor and it came to light just how tight my left eye still actually is. So at the eye doctor they make you look into a lot of boxes basically to assess your vision and see if you've got any eye diseases. And on one of the tests I was asked to open my eyes as wide as I could, so I obliged. And the assistant actually had to open my left eye and hold it open like this. And it was only when he did that I realised how much the left eye is still squinting quite a bit. I mean, I thought I'd done as he asked me, and this was something I wasn't aware of until he actually opened the eye properly. And that kind of made me think that is something that I actually need to work with, to get both eyes like the same, you know, to really relax the left eye and practice opening as wide as I can. So I do have a bit different vision in both eyes because I squint a lot more with the left eye. The left eye seems to work a lot harder and fixes at near, and that kind of causes a problem because both eyes kind of end up in a bit of a fight with each other. But what I did was I wanted to see what the differentials actually were on this. So I decided to see what the point of close focus was with different glasses, different plus glasses on. So I just walked up to a year's calendar, a wall calendar. You know, so there's enough small detail that you have to know when you can see the details. And I stopped when when it came into focus and measured. So I wrote down some of the measurements. So, I mean, this here was the calendar. So as you can see, it's quite small detail. So that enables me to be as exact as I can. And okay, stop falling over, camera. So these were the measurements that I actually got. So with no glasses whatsoever, it was not clear at any distance. With a +1, it did get clear at about 3 meters, say, but it wasn't. It was moving a lot and it wasn't stable. I really didn't get stability until about a 2, and with a 2 I got 115 centimetres in the right eye and 60 centimetres in the left eye. So that would be 23 inches in the left eye and 45.3 inches in the right eye. So that really is quite a big difference. And then some more measurements were at a 3, I've got 40 and 52 centimetres, so left and right eyes respectively. At 4.5 I've got 29 and 35 centimetres, and at a 10, so I didn't do every single set of glasses, but I did a couple at the, a few at the bottom end and some at the top end. So with 10 I had 5.9 and 6.6 inches, and at 12 I had, it was 12 centimetres, so that came out at 4.2 inches, and there wasn't really much in it. So I think what might be happening here, because I wear 12s, that is my everyday. I've probably taken my glasses up to where everything is the same. And you'd think, okay, so one eye is a bit longer than the other, so wear a stronger plus on the longer and a weaker plus on the shorter. You'd think that, because people do have differing strengths of eyes, that does happen, that's normal. So why would it not work for me? Okay, because I've actually tried it, and it was a complete disaster. My left eye basically would not take a weaker lens at all. It was kind of hurting. And I think coming back to the fact that my eye is still tight, and obviously I was still squinting in the examination. So that I'm probably trying to overcome that problem with strong lenses. And what seems to be happening is that I do have, what's it called, an accommodative near reflex, accommodative reflex of the near point, or something like that. So what's happening is something comes in, within my left eye, the accommodative range. My left eye is the one that fixes it, and the near point, you think, yeah, okay. But what happens then is the eye tries even harder, tries to bring it even nearer. So the near point just keeps on becoming nearer in the left eye, and not in a good way, because it hurts. So that my eyes are a bit different, that actually isn't good. And it's not because people can't have different eyes, people can. But this is, in my case, my eyes aren't functioning really well like that. So having sort of realised that, this is actually really good, because now, I've got these glasses. So now that I've got everything the same in these glasses, this is my opportunity to let the eyes relax. To start with things that probably wouldn't be clear. So maybe a dark surface or somewhere that's not well lit. So I know, okay, I'm not going to spasm when my left eye can actually see it. So I can practice doing with my eyes, looking at my eyes, not looking at my eyes, how can you look at your eyes? But looking at things the same way with both eyes, and I've started on that. So that is one thing I can do here, and hopefully what I can do is even out the eyes. So this I'm imagining the left one might get a bit more hyperopic, but if it comes into line with the right eye, then I can actually bring my strength down, because I'd be comfortable looking at things then. When I say bring my strength down, I don't mean working my way back to 2020, but what I mean is bringing the strength down to whatever it should actually be. So yeah, that is my thought on it. So I really hope this was useful, and please like and subscribe, and hope to see you in the next video.